Yo,
Yo,
what's up,
yo,
guys?
yo, we're back at it again,
Back
boys.
with Chug. Today we're gonna do. Let's get the close up.
Oh yeah.
Perrier watermelon.
Oh yeah.
With those nutrient facts.
Oh yeah, girl. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby.
Girl.
Oh.
Wait, what is it? Reflection.
There she blows.
Okay, there you go. Okay,
Alright.
that's good. His is a little more empty than mine.
Yeah, I already started drinking
It's a
it.
little advantage.
So I'm sorry. That's whatever though. All right, let's go, boys.
Here
Oh gosh, I'm not gonna laugh again this time,
we go.
guy.
Okay, recording. Okay, we're good.
Okay.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Sorry. You chug it first. You chug first. Go.
No, we're going to chug together.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's so
Burp. Get some burps.
Okay, we're gonna keep going.
Just do it myself.
Okay.
Oh gosh.
Ready?
Okay. You finish yours first, and then I'll do mine. Oh my gosh. Okay. His is done. Boys.
It's not that funny.
Okay, get out of here so I don't laugh.
Okay. Go.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Dude, don't spill water. We're almost done. Okay, many. There's a little many. Okay, let's go. Come on. Hurry up.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this.
Let's do it. How much more you got?
A lot.
Okay, just.
Okay, I'm done.
Come on, you gotta finish it.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, boys.
Don't spill it on my carpet. Sheesh. You wanna do the outro?
I was puked there, boys.
Whoa, okay. That would not be good. 10 minutes for the boys.
Okay, boys. See?
10 minute chug, ready?
Boys. Whew. I took that one for the boys. That was just for the boys. I'm
Okay,
telling
do the
you.
outro. This is a very long video. Hurry up.
Okay. Okay, I'm done burping, boys. As you can see, I still suck at chugging. But, it's okay. Yeah. So we'll see y'all later. Peace.